Welcome, in front of me is a TCL 20 SE, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. To get started, pull down the notification panel and find the Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me is right over here. And once you find it, you can either enable it with whatever the parameters are set by default, or you can hold it, and this will take you to the settings where you can actually customize it. So you can start off with calls and messages. Both of them will have the same option, so you can allow calls and messages from anyone, contacts, favorites, or no one. With a little bit of a difference here with the repeated caller option. So if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period and this is checked on, they will completely bypass whatever the option you have set in calls. So you could have said that no one can call you. If they meet this parameter right here, they will just completely bypass it and reach you without any problem. Now this option is fairly good for emergencies where people spam call you till you pick up. Now moving on, we have things like the schedule options right here. So there's a couple already pre-made, so we have the sleep and event, but you can tap on the plus right here to set it up a new one yourself. So you could just choose whichever day of the week you want it to turn on, and then time to start and end. And from there, all you need to do is just check it on like this to enable it, and it will turn on automatically when it's time. And additionally, we have alarm sound, so you can disable or enable alarms if you want to, and that's about all the settings we got here. So once you set it all up, you can simply leave this area, and if you have chosen to use this as a schedule one, then you don't really need to do anything extra. But if you just want to enable it manually at, I don't know, once every while, then all you need to do is tap on the toggle right here to give us option for either always, if it's on the lowest one, or time that you can set up to work till. As you can see right now, we have set it up to be about 3 hours, I believe. Yeah, that's about 3 hours. And from there, just click on done, and this will automatically enable it for this amount of hour. And that is how you would set it up. And once you're done with it, if you decided to go with always, do make sure you turn it off, otherwise it will be, well, always on. And if you went with a timed one, then it will turn off automatically after the time that you have chosen. So anyway, that is how you would set it up and use the Do Not Disturb mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.